Alright guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're gonna finish putting this thing together. Core support, put the coolers and stuff like that on there. So let's just jump right into it, I guess. Oh yeah, one more thing. I forgot to put the Serpentine belt on last video, so we're gonna do it now. Oh, I gotta go. Serpentine belt's on. Alright, now that the core support's on, I got the rest of the wiring done, let's put the coolers on. Now they're done with the coolers, let's go ahead and put the hood latch back on. And then I guess the next video will be me fixing the bumpers. Getting stuff ready to make it look like a van again. Alright guys, now that that's done, I think we're probably going to end up attempting to put the headlights in, but I gotta find the bolts and stuff. I somehow misplaced the bag that I labeled, but the next clip should be me installing the headlights. Alright guys, I found the missing bag of bolts for the headlights, so let's go ahead and put them in. Alright guys, we want to wait until we hear the motor run to make sure it's good before we actually completely finish. So that'll be the end of this video. I'll have another video installing the crash bar, the other headlight, and then we'll start working on the bumpers. But if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.